There's many reasons why your dropshipping business might not be making money. Now, I'm not here to tell you the exact reason because I haven't looked at your store, I haven't audited your business, but what I can tell you is a few of the reasons why my business made me zero money for a long time. People look at my videos now and think, hey, you must be so successful. You must be doing everything right. How did you get so lucky? In fact, it took me so many mistakes to get to where I am today. Yes, I make 6 figures a month. Yes, I am very successful in the dropshipping space, but wasn't always the case. I'm going to give you a few tips, or I would say avoid mistake tips, that's going to help you through your journey. But before I do that, guys, I do want to say I'm going to be talking about a supplier in this video. If you stay to the end, you're going to see that supplier that absolutely changed my dropshipping life. Now, that's the reason that I am here making this money, because I chose the right supplier. So if you add what I tell you today about avoiding the mistakes to the supplier that I'm going to promote to you, this is a winning formula. So guys, let's get straight in, see what I'm talking about. Number one, when you run ads, do not run ads just by what you think looks good. That is the first and fastest way to becoming unsuccessful. Just because you watch the video and you think, wow, this looks great. I love Pokemon. So the Pokemon in the video, it makes it look great. The other 99.9% of the world probably don't like it. I'm not saying they won't like it. I'm saying you need to analyze and test. Now, there is many things online you can do that with. And especially in today with AI, is this comparable to a trending ad? Something like that. Now, again, there is many tools, and I'll tell you a couple right now. One of them is AdCreative.ai. Now, I've used this a few times, guys, and I am not paid by them or affiliated them in any way, but they actually really help when making sure that your ad is matching a winning ad. You can simply find a winning ad inside this platform, and guess what? You can just copy the exact same ad. You can even use the ad. Okay, that's one of the biggest mistakes I had. This is number one. I only made content about what I thought looked good. Now, you might be looking at this video thinking, why are you making this content? Because if you go on YouTube right now and type in dropshipping, you'll see many other YouTubers that are super successful that make content like this. This is a proven method. Number two is choosing random or oversaturated products. What does that mean exactly? Most people go straight to TikTok, AliExpress, and find the most trending product they can, and they think that that's going to get them sales. Now, number one, finding a trending product is a good attribute. Number two, it's going to come with low margins, fierce competition, because do you not think every other person starting dropshipping today is finding that same trending product? It means it sells, but it means you've got to sell among a lot of competition. So if you go and find, again, use ChatGPT, find places that could help you find winning products. Okay, you have many of them, dropship.io. There is many different tools that you can go, but I want you to do a little bit of research yourself, because one thing I definitely learned in dropshipping was do not just listen to one person and take everything they say for gospel. Make sure you take information from many different people and then use it for your own scenario. That means go and research it. Find the best website, in your opinion, for finding winning products. Okay, once you've done that, you can find products that 99% of people won't bother doing, because they'll still go to TikTok, they'll still watch that trending product on the top. If you're still using the email integrated system in Shopify, you are losing sales on your store. You need to be using Omnisend. Now, I used to do email marketing through Shopify, and I did wonder, why is everyone talking about this on YouTube? Why is everyone saying email marketing is the key? Because I wasn't seeing that much return. When I started using Omnisend, everything became not just easy, but way more profitable. They use AI inside the system to help with email marketing. It's a very easy setup. I mean, extremely easy. My grandma could set it up herself. The AI helps you with the email itself, the subtitles, and the subject titles, guys, allowing you to have more time to not worry about these little things that might work and might not. But the most important thing they do is they actually have a select method of choosing appropriate customers that have come to your website and how they email them. All right, so you're not just writing a generic email to send to everyone in the world and hoping that some people catch. You're actually using an AI smarter tool that is going to find what the customer wants to hear and is going to be marketed to them. That's why Omnisend is by far the most powerful email marketing out there, and why I thought I wanted to bring them up in this video. Let's get back to it. Number three, which is probably the most important and leads me on to probably the most important reason why I'm successful, is the supplier. You need a supplier that will work with you, not a supplier that just wants to make money from you. There's two different things. One, working with you. Two, making money from you. 90% of suppliers want to make money. That's a business. I understand it. It's not a bad thing. But the 10% of suppliers that actually want to work with you, that's what changes you from trying dropshipping to being me, documenting your life because you're a successful dropshipper. And the best one out there is Fulfillman, okay? Fulfillman is by far the greatest dropshipping supplier. They have everything you could think of, from brand photography to private line service. That means if I need a product sent to a customer, I can guarantee a time. This is just one service that many people don't have. They also have an amazing customer support, guys. So I want you to go through the entire website. Think about choosing them for your supplier recommended by me. If you don't, then make sure you are researching suppliers before you agree a deal with them. The next point, and probably one of the easiest points to do, and I still sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I still sometimes do brush over this because I feel like it's not the thing that makes you money, but it's your customer service. Okay, customer service has to be perfect. If you are giving bad customer service, that means the product you're selling will not sell again to that customer. So that means if you have 100 customers and your customer support to 50 of them is bad, you lose 50 sales every month. Now, it might sound stupid, like, oh, it's okay, I'll speak better to the next person. That one person could have been me. I could have been buying bulk product from you, everything off your shelf. You've had bad customer service, I won't come again. So now you've got to grind your way to get more leads. It's a hard game finding leads. Never mind just in dropshipping, I mean online. So if you do find them and you do get sales, treat them like they are paying your bills. Because once you do that, once you treat them like family, once they're paying your bills, they will continue to buy from you. It's an amazing, amazing thing that people just brush over. And again, like I said, I sometimes do because I'm busy and maybe I don't give the best response. I work super hard to get good customer service in my dropshipping business. That's something you should do too. And last but not least, of course, it is skipping ad testing data. If you're running ads, do not just put $5,000 in and hope it's going to make you money. I think most people I speak to in the dropship, if I do events or I speak on stage, they'll say, hey, I spent $10,000 on ads. I got 0 sales back. You don't just put money in and it makes money. You don't just go to any industry and say, here's $10,000 and do nothing else and it makes money. That's a myth. It doesn't happen. You have to test. You have to research. Again, with the first point by finding winning ads, things like this. But you need to actually do these CTA, CPAs, all these different algorithms. You'll need to understand before you put money in. Never put money into ads unless it's little, $10, $20. Never put money into ads until you really understand exactly what it's going to bring, and that becomes testing. So guys, that is just a few points. I'm gonna be making way more videos on this channel. I've been a bit lazy with it lately, and that's because I've been really focusing on the things I've told you about, like customer service. But I'm back in a good place now, guys. I want you to be the best dropshipper out there. I don't care if you rival me in I lose sales because you're there. I'll feel better knowing there's a community of people getting the right information. So make sure you do check out the description. We've got the sponsor link in there. We've got the supplier in there. Everything I've talked about is in there for you guys. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified, and have a very good day.